So yeah, we're out the back of the shop, as you do, and we saw this. Now that is a freaking big ass fly. Seriously, that is a number 2 Phillip. That is a fly. The number 2 Phillip head, we'll find it, is a bit smaller than that fly. This thing's still kicking, still alive. It's a bit drenched in coffee at the moment, so it's a little bit unhappy. Seriously, that is one big ass fly. Check it out. See, still flying. Been in here a little bit. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, creepy. Look at his eyes. They're freaking huge. He makes a tinkle when he hits the glass too. Oh. Hello, I am a big ass fly. Big.